Hey there, my name is Kathy. Welcome to the Junk Shack, baby. Lots and lots of bangle bracelets. In today's video, we are going to explore just what you can make out of bangle bracelets. I hope you enjoy. And an adult hula skirt. I am going to actually see just how many little different crafts I can come up with all these bracelets. I had in mind a long strand of bracelets all connected together to hang along the openings of my curtains, connecting the smaller strands together to make a larger one. Of course, I had to try it in a few different places first. Let's call this a garland made out of bangle bracelets. So I tried it here on my china cabinet / bar. I kind of like it here, but when you walk by multiple times a day, I just don't think it'll last. I then draped it along my fireplace with my other strands of beads, and it's stinking adorable too. Next, I tried the mirror above my fireplace, and again, adorable. Be really nice with some twinkle lights, which I did not do. Here we finally get to my original intentions. I really like this. It's a subtle, soft little decor idea. Sadly, I will have to redo them with some jute twine or something stronger than hula skirt rafia, because we're pretty tough on these curtains, opening and closing them several times a day. Hitting that subscribe button is free, and man, it really helps my channel grow. Here we are on another project. I kind of had this idea of a flower wall hanging, so I took one of the thicker bracelets here and doing a simple knot. I don't even know what you call it, but I show you here how to do it. I did that all the way around. Using raffia pieces, I connected a bunch of bracelets together and then glued the flower piece to the middle. I really like it. I think I'm going to make a few more. This is its final resting place until I do make a few more. You can really just put two of these together like this and make some cool spheres. I have not glued these, I'm just playing with it. I came up with one that has 3. That would be very cool, but again, I'm not going to glue it. It would be easy enough for anyone to do. Pull them out at Halloween. They made a great pumpkin. These, I see a lot of these in little dishes on people's coffee table, just as a decor piece. In this easy DIY, I simply took the split bracelets, put them around this vase, and hung a pretty one off of it. And I really like this little thing too. Using the exact same technique I used to make the little flower bracelet, I just used longer raffia and had fun trying it everywhere in my house, and this might be my favorite place, right here on my cliffhanger. It kind of adds a boho flair anywhere you try it. I have put together 2 bracelets with just a little piece of jute twine and then cut it off. I am going to take my hot glue gun and with another little piece of jute twine, attach it under there so that it hangs off of this lampshade, which is way too small for this lamp that I've had for quite a while. And I just haven't found a shade. I picked this up at the 80% sale. It was $4, so 80% off is 80 cents for this lamp. And I'm just gonna do a little hot glue and bangle. Well, well, well. Very hippie, very 70s. Like, keep on trucking, man. I do not like the tassel, so guess what? See you later, alligator. It's my hippie lamp. I love it. Peace, man. Peace and love. So those were all of my ideas, straight out of. But I wanted to give you guys inspiration in case you wanted to try some of them.
And last but not least, a bracelet. You can actually wear a bangle bracelet as a bracelet.
Liking this video and commenting. Man, YouTube just digs that, and so do I. Thanks a bunch for watching. See you guys next week. Same time, same place. Junk Shack, baby.